Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a card castle. First, find a flat, stable surface, like a sturdy table, to begin your construction. Next, gather a standard deck of 52 playing cards, ensuring they are not bent or damaged. To start, form triangular prisms by leaning 2 cards against each other, creating a strong foundation for your castle. Once your base prisms are in place, carefully lay a single flat card across the top edges of 2 adjacent triangular supports. This creates your first platform. It is crucial that this card is perfectly level to ensure the stability of your entire structure. Continue this pattern, building new triangular prisms on top of the flat cards to form your next level. To add height, employ a staggered approach for each new level, ensuring weight is distributed evenly across the structure. Gently press down on each new card you place to secure its position firmly. If you find a section wobbly, a small, lightweight object like a coin can serve as a temporary support until the next layer is stable. Patience is key here. Remember to work slowly and patiently. Rushing is the quickest way to see your hard work tumble down. Choose a quiet location, away from drafts or vibrations, to prevent accidental collapses. Once you master the basic technique, feel free to experiment with different card arrangements and designs to create truly unique and impressive card castles. Enjoy the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.